Doubling your internet speed without changing hardware is tricky, but not impossible. While you can't magically increase your ISPs bandwidth, you can optimize your setup to squeeze out every bit of performance. Here's how to do it. 1. System and network tweaks. Change DNS servers. Switch to faster DNS like Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google opening parenthesis 8.8.8.8 for quicker domain resolution. Disable bandwidth hogging apps, close background apps like Cloud Sync, auto updates, or streaming services. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers can bottleneck performance. Check for updates via Device Manager. Adjust adapter settings. Disable power-saving features, enable jumbo frames if supported, and tweak flow control. 2. Software-based speed boosters. Use Speedify. This app combines multiple connections, Wi-Fi plus mobile data for faster, bonded internet even on a single device. Try TCP Optimizer tools. Apps like TCP Optimizer for Windows can fine-tune your connection parameters. Browser extensions. Some extensions compress data like Opera Turbo to speed up browsing. 3. Clean up your digital environment. Clear browser cache. A bloated cache can slow down page loads. Scan for malware. Malware can hijack bandwidth run a full system scan. Limit connected devices. Fewer devices equals less congestion. 4. Smart usage strategies. Schedule heavy downloads. Do large updates or backups during off-peak hours. Use Ethernet over Wi-Fi. If possible, wired connections are faster and more stable. Prioritize traffic. Use cost settings in your router to give priority to streaming or work apps. Thank you for your attention. Please like, follow, and subscribe.